I normally hide money inside all this book. I normally see.
Are you good later?
Well done.
I'll just let my result to do.
Very good. Let me see. A school petenya. A parallel.
Yes, so daddy. Yes, so daddy. I'm so excited.
Like father, like son.
Yes, so. That's how we roll.
Yeah, good products.
Yes, daddy.
Go inside.
Thank you, daddy.
Come on, come back here. Come on, come here. Where are you going to?
Daddy, you know you told us to go inside.
Let me see your results. Yeah. School petenya. What's all this? F9 parallel. You failed.
Daddy, it's not like that I failed though. You know that. You told us that bad things always happen to good people.
Who is not the good person?
Daddy, I don't know, but since you are good, I'm also good.
No, Wala, I'm also good also. Check me now, you have done well. Leave there. Don't mommy here too. I've not beaten you. I'll allow your mommy to come first while I deal with you. Bad things always happen to good people. So you are not a good person. No, Wala. Like father, like son. God forbid. Like son, like mother.
Hello.
Very strong.
Okay, I will call you back. I want to attend to someone now.
Look at aluminium.
Okay, bye.
Keep it. Brother, you're looking beautiful.
Stop whining me.
If you were to be a mango, they'll not even wash you before they eat you. Brother, give me updates.
Which update are you asking for? What?
Any updates?
Okay, if I give you the update, can you work?
They call me Mozoma.
Do you have the strength to work?
Even the type of work you are doing, sir, you don't even need Mozo to do it.
Yeah, you need extra Mozo to work with.
My second name is Mozo.
Oh, okay, no problem. Mozoma, right?
Exactly.
Okay, follow me.
Just like egg.
This kind of work I'm talking about, do you know the meaning of this?
Open this thing and give me update, Joe.
This is what I do for a living.
How come you're not looking good like this?
See, guy, let me tell you, it's not everybody that look good like this that do that kind of update that you're talking about. I hustle both day and night.
School petenya.
Wait, I'm a bricklayer. This is what I do for a living. Yeah, you have to go and hustle for yourself. You have to go and do work. You have to have power to do things for yourself. You understand?
No problem, no problem. On God.